Good morning from Las Vegas. Today I'm gonna head to the dentist, get my teeth cleaned here at the dentist office. I gotta wait a few minutes for my appointment. I came 5 minutes early.
Alrighty, have a seat in here. And they made what they call a kombucha pop now. So it's like a lot more sparkling. It's like sparkling water, but it still has some probiotics and whatnot in it. And I just tried my first one yesterday because I just got them in the mail. The grape was delicious. Today I brought apple. It gives me a little bit of flavor, but it's... And then once I get that flavor done, I drink water the rest of the day.
Well, I finished my dental cleaning today and I scheduled my next one for January 26th next year, so I'm good to go for a couple months. I chopped up dill. Now I'm going to chop up my lettuce, which is romaine. I got a bunch of fennel, and then I got lemon, avocado, zucchini, and tomatoes along with hemp seeds and some beets, and of course the beet greens. So now I'm just going to chop up the salad with this salad scissors, and then I'll add the rest of the stuff and put it into this big bowl. It should be done in about 20 minutes. I'll put some Italian zucchini in there. I finished my salad, so I'm just going to add the avocado dressing on top. And that completes it. I'm just going to stir it around and it'll be finished in a few minutes. I'm going to head to Panera Bread to meet with Reza. He's from Algeria. He's been living in Las Vegas for a few years, and I met him, I think in the spring. He's supposed to meet me here. Yeah, I got some souvenirs from North Korea for you. Maybe you can, it's the same one that Kim Jong-un smokes.
I know, right? This is gonna probably be a gift for somebody.
It came directly from North Korea.
Appreciate that, and look, it's all like all smushed. It seems like you have to smuggle it somewhere, like you have to tuck it somewhere.
It went all the way through China to US and on all the way here.
Well, I guess it's still gonna continue its trip somewhere.
Okay. You don't know how valuable that could be.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Well,
that could go into a collector's. We should look to see how much eBay sells it for.
That is so true.
I really miss karantika.
Well,
do you think you could figure out how to make it?
I heard somebody telling somebody how to make it. So I guess since I'm a big chef, I will try. So I will do a test by myself.
Okay.
Grab a guinea pig, which is right in front of you right here, and taste it. Okay. And if it works out, I'll let you know.
Okay. When's the last time you tried karantika?
Oh, like have it?
Yeah.
No, make it. I've never made it.
No, I know.
But have it.
Eat. Have you eaten it in the US?
No.
Oh, really? Wow.
The only place I've eaten that thing is in Algeria.
Oh, okay.
It's been forever. It's like a history question right now.
Yeah.
Page 64.
I was there in 2018, so I guess I ate it last.
You did. Keep rubbing it in my face.
But hopefully you'll be able...
It's not nice to me.
We should make our own couch surfing picnic like Marius did.
Hey, you call it.
Okay.
I'll be just an attendee. I'll be like, I'm the vice president.
Yeah, maybe we can find 5 or 6 people.
Yep.
I'll make a posting. Give a month out.
Organize it. Well, I mean, 2020.
No, 2021.
I'm gonna say 2020 is about to end. Hopefully it takes whatever it brought with it, and
okay.
If we got rid of that thing, man, yeah.
I'll check couchsurfing to see when the most travelers are coming.
Yeah,
and then
I mean,
them.
It's probably gonna be like Christmas all year long if finally they get that vaccine.
Yeah, okay.
Which is great.
All right, great. Well, nice seeing you, and I'll see you next time.
Yes, brother. Always a pleasure to see you, man.
Yeah, thanks.
All right.